Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It is Sunday morning here and I was gonna get ready to do a typical video, but I figured it would be a good time to do a bunny mask video. So once a month I'll be doing these videos where I apply a face mask and talk to you about a particular topic, and I'm gonna be doing this once a month. In the past I've done it very sporadically. I do have a playlist already though. So today's mask that I will be using is another one from I Do Care. I am actually looking for it because I don't know where I'd put it. Here it is. This is their Berry Bubbly Purifying Bubbling Berry Clay Mask. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute. I love the I Do Care face masks, and I kind of like this line a little bit more than the cake line because I feel like it does more for my skin, but I do have both lines, as I just said. I also have their peel off masks, but I don't like peel off masks to begin with, so I haven't really used them much, but maybe I should. I just don't like the sensation, honestly. It doesn't feel good. Alright, I'm a little concerned. I just opened up the lid and this is what it looks like, but I can't remember if it always looked like this or if this means it's spoiled. What do you guys think? Oh man. Usually the general rule is if it changes in consistency or odor, then it probably went bad. The odor smells the same, but what about that consistency? I don't remember what this looked like, honestly. What do you think, guys? Should we risk putting it on our skin? I mean, it's a purifying mask, so in theory, it necessarily doesn't have to look like a regular mask. I'm like testing it in a small corner. I say we pass. Let's switch to a different mask, just in case while I think about this. Okay, so instead we're gonna use the Hang Tight Tightening Tea Tree Clay Mask from I Do Care. This one should be good, hopefully. Yeah, it's good. It's just running low. I think these are just a little bit on the old side too, so I want to get my use out of these and then I'm going to toss them. I don't even remember how long I've had them. I want to say maybe a year and a half. They probably just expired, honestly. I got to think about that other one. Let me know what you think down below. Should I toss that one? Should I keep that one? I don't even know. So normally I'm going to have a specific theme for these bunny chats, but honestly, there's not much going on. It's like the first month of the year and I don't have a set topic. For my Get Ready With Me, I had the monetization one where I talked all about like a general recap and update of losing monetization. But here, there's just not enough for me to make a whole topic out of something. I guess I could talk about my no buy. I just did an update on that anyway, but that update was filmed a little bit earlier in the month. So I've been having some, I was gonna say cravings, that's not the right word. I've been having some desires. I've been wanting to buy certain things. Like I've been having urges, there we go. Urges to buy some stuff. I went on Line Crime's Instagram and I saw that they have so many more versions of the Venus palette than what I remember. Like obviously they keep coming out with more stuff, but I kind of tuned them out after a while because there's always so much controversy when it comes to Line Crime. Even though it's a brand that I can't help but love, I don't usually support it like with my money, but there's some cute things there and I can't buy anything. And then ColourPop came out with like a meant to be type of palette with really cute like minty greens. I wouldn't get much use out of it if I'm being realistic, but it's such an affordable, it's like their little 8-pan palettes. It's so affordable. I wish I could buy it. Let me see what else has been going on. Build-A-Bear announced that they're going to be releasing a Yoda soon, and it didn't look that ugly. I mean, I haven't seen any official promo pictures. I haven't been able to find any, but there's one with them on the stage and someone's holding like a Yoda far away, baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. But I worry about it because a lot of the Yoda, like Disney official Yoda merchandise is looking a little ugly. Like it doesn't match the cuteness of the show. So with Build-A-Bear, I was worried that it wasn't gonna look good, but it looks pretty cute, honestly. But I'm sure the demand for that's gonna be crazy. I used to work at Build-A-Bear and there's certain things that just sell out so fast. I think eventually everything tends to come back. I can't think of a certain animal that was like discontinued completely. Like I know the Grinch was sold out, not this past Christmas, but last Christmas, and everyone was looking everywhere for them. Baby Grinch and like the full-size Grinch. And then before that, I remember when Toothless first came out, he was sold out everywhere. And eventually they brought him back, and now Toothless is kind of like a staple. He always comes back at some point in stock. So I don't know. Hopefully I can get my hands on Yoda because he looks really cute. And I wonder if they're going to put any sounds on him or if it's just going to be like the Star Wars theme songs, and that's what they usually do, but sometimes they'll have voices of the characters themselves. I really like stuffed animals. I don't know if you can tell, but I really love stuffed animals. I think they're a lot of fun. I didn't clip my hair back, I just realized. That's fine. I think I'm gonna toss this face mask honestly after this video because I just feel like it's a little off. And I'm really sad because I didn't get full use out of all of these masks. I got some on my hair. That's fine. The jar is like half full, or actually less than half. So at least I got some use out of it. But I do feel like they're starting to spoil. Oh, there's an expiration date. Awesome. It's 2021. Okay, 2021. That's not bad. Let me check that other one that we used in the beginning. 2020. So it is, I think, October 24th, 2020. Unless that 10/24 right after the 2020 is irrelevant. I don't know, you guys. I guess maybe I should just toss this, right? That sucks though, because I didn't get a full... Yeah, it just looks funny. I gotta toss this. I'm not sure if that 10/24 means October 24th or not, but clearly the consistency has already changed at this point, so I don't want to risk it. So yeah, I'm tossing that one. We're gonna hold on to this one a little bit longer. I'm definitely going to try to use it a little bit more before tossing it, but honestly, these masks are on their way out, I guess. Okay, so what were we talking about? We're talking about Yoda. So Yoda was really cute. I really love him. If you watched The Mandalorian, let me know down below. It is on Disney+. Tickets to Beetlejuice. I'm very into Broadway, and I got tickets to Beetlejuice, me and my brother. They have the 2-for-1 Broadway week sale, so twice a year tickets are heavily discounted. Basically they're 50% off. I'm not sure why they say 2-for-1. My brother got tickets, well, me and my fiance have tickets to see the Phantom of the Opera front row mezzanine, which I'm so excited about because Phantom of the Opera has been on Broadway for the longest amount of time ever, 1988. That's when my brother was born, and I really want to watch it. But I also got tickets with my brother to see Beetlejuice second row orchestra. I'm so excited, but I wanted to see it with my fiance as well, and like money's just really tight, even though this is a great deal. Any other day, because I checked, tickets for Beetlejuice at like the rows that we want, the seats that we want, are at least like $500 each. I'm not kidding. I'm not joking. I'll put proof right here. And even like row F is like $500. And I was like, no, this is not happening. So yeah, I want to watch Beetlejuice with my brother. I want to watch Beetlejuice with my fiance as well because it's going to be leaving soon in May, June. And I feel like the longer we wait, the more expensive it's going to get because more and more people are going to want to watch it before it leaves theaters. But you know what? It is what it is. Money's really tight. I should be using it intelligently. And yeah, I got a lot of bills to pay, you guys. I should have added tickets to Broadway to my no-buy, honestly, because a lot of my money's been going to that, especially when I win the lotteries, because lotteries aren't completely free. You do have to pay a fee, and it varies. The cheapest fee there is for a Broadway lottery is $10 each, which is for Hamilton, and I have yet to win Hamilton. Hamilton is the only Broadway lottery system that I have yet to win. So I won Mean Girls, I won Aladdin, I won Lion, I'm blanking out, Hades Town, Frozen, did I say Frozen? I won Mean Girls. Did I say Mean Girls? Oh my god, I'm losing my mind already. I can't tell what I just said. Anyway, I've won everything that I personally wanted to win. I also won the Book of Mormon, but I didn't end up going because I didn't really care about the Book of Mormon. I've seen enough of it, like, without having to go to the show, if you know what I mean. I'm spending too much money, basically, is what I'm trying to say. I would love to win Hamilton tickets. I think it's so nice that they don't upsell you or like try to charge you so much for like lottery tickets. I think that's great. And you're guaranteed like an orchestra seat, which is really nice as well, because when it comes to other lotteries, it's not like that, let me tell you. But that's going to be a video for another day where I talk about like the pros and cons to like Broadway lotteries and stuff, even though I don't really know a lot of people who are into Broadway like I am. I studied it in high school. I did elements of production. That was my major. Not high school, college. That was my major. Because I wanted to be an actress, and then I wanted to be part of a production team, and then I'm like, no, never mind, I want to be a zookeeper. So that's where I'm at right now. I think it's time to wash off this mask, and I'll be right back. So I washed the face mask off, and now I'm going to just put a moisturizer on, and then we'll be all done. I'm going to be using the Drunk Elephant Protini because I love it. I'm still using the Shea Moisture Glow Serum one, but because I'm leaving soon, that one is just very oily. Like, it's just an oily type of moisturizer, so I feel like it shows through a little bit too much, and it takes a while for it to sink into the skin. And since I'm leaving kind of soon, I don't want to have to deal with that, so I'm just gonna put this on and we'll call it a day. There's an airplane flying by. Okay, so that's it for this bunny mask video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite masks are down below, because I'm in serious need of some new ones, because if this one's about to expire, that means there's a whole bunch in my closet that are were purchased roughly around the same time. So yeah, I'm gonna need some new masks soon. So let me know down below. I mean, I want to know by right now, but I would still like to know. So anyway, if you made it to the end, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.